Ooh, guys, it feels good to be to be a trader. It feels really good. Regardless, guys, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, oh my God, I can't even speak today. Before we proceed, please understand that this is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. It is hot. Everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we look at market performance for the past 24 hours. Right after that, we will look at prices in details, okay, which again, it doesn't surprise me anyways. And right after that, we look at our positions. Are we going up? Are we going down? You guys already know the drill. It's always important to do this every day as a trader. You want to know what the market is doing. Okay, so let me set this down right there. Excuse me for a second. Okay, now let's move this a little bit. Anyways, guys, before we do all that, and I know, I know it's crazy. Sometimes I can't understand why people don't, why they don't understand. I'm a guy with a plan. I told you, read the name of the channel, My Millionaire Journey. That's what it's all about, okay? I started this journey since around 2016 when it really started like gathering traction, because before 2016 2017 I was all over the place. I was looking at stock market, looking at precious metals, which again I own some, looking at a lot of things, okay, going around. When you want something real bad, you start searching, so really searching for it. Came 2016, that's when I stumbled. Not that I stumbled, because before 2016 I knew about Bitcoin. If, like I said, a friend of mine or a colleague of mine from work had told me about it. And like every normal person, if you can't see it, can't touch it, can't smell it, yeah, you can pass. That was my attitude back then, until I started, the more you dig into something, you started learning more about it. Excuse me. I started learning about how economy really works. And then came 2016 when I purchased Bitcoin. But then Bitcoin was like, I think $3,000 or something like that when I purchased it. And I've showed you guys so many times, and it seems like many people still don't, still don't believe it. Anyways, you know what? It's best if I show you, right? it's best if I show you, because I think seeing is believing, and then we go from there. Let me go to my portfolio right here. This is my portfolio. As you can see, a bunch of these coins I owed. Yeah, I'm going, like I said, at the end of this bull run, a lot of these coins, almost 90% of these coins, are going to go to the trash. I'm going to either sell them for profit or probably swap them for Caspa. Right now they are not profitable, so there's no point me swapping them right now. When I make profit out of them, that is when I will swap them for Caspa. Again, I'm a Caspa Maxi. For those of you who still don't believe that I hold 30 Bitcoins, there you have it right in front of you. And then if I click on it and then go to my portfolio, you will see average cost. You can see right there, 3,300. That is when I bought Bitcoin. And if I click on it, the details, you can see right there, I spent $101,000 and I purchased 30 Bitcoin. The date is right there, December 6, 2016. You can see right there, December 6, 2016. I have not sold not even a single one of them because again, everybody, if you do something without a plan, then you are planning to fail. So I do have a plan for Bitcoin. As you can see right now, it hasn't got to where the stage where my plan say off ramp it and go to something else. Not yet. I've been looking. It will be there. It will be a little bit funny But the truth is, let me go back here. It'll be a little bit funny, but the truth is, I've been paying attention to the economy since then. I knew the recession is coming. I knew sooner than later we're going to have inflation problems. And what do people do? People seem to accumulate more like gold. Okay, so my plan, again, I said it before and I'll say it again. Maybe a lot of you did not understand. I'm not holding Bitcoin because I'm a Bitcoin maxi. No, I'm holding Bitcoin because I know it's about to crash. The economy is about to go down. You see what happened in 2008? It's about to happen again, but 5 times higher. Therefore, stock market is going to crash. Precious metals are going to crash. Gold, which is the real store of value, is going to go down. Once it goes down, that is when I am going to swap my Bitcoin to gold. That's my entire plan with that Bitcoin you're looking at right now. Not much, not less. Bitcoin to gold. That's what I'm about to, that's what I will do. If it doesn't go back down the way I think it will, oh well, you know what? I'll keep on holding it. That's what I'll keep doing. But my mission right now, okay, is to add and hold as much Kaspa as possible, because when you look at everything where it is going, Kaspa is the real Bitcoin. If you want to hedge yourself into something, it's going to be into Kaspa. Okay, that is what I'm saying. Like, your portfolio need to be diverse, yes, but you need to be having things that are going to really make you rich. And again, guys, I can't repeat myself enough. Kaspa, okay, Quant, okay, those things are going to make you rich. Now, if you want to talk about a hold of value, store of value, gold. Gold is a store of value, because gold is what, like I said yesterday, it's hard to move. It is expensive. I mean, everything else qualifies gold as a store of value, not as Bitcoin. I'm going to use Bitcoin to get more gold. As simple as that. Therefore, yeah, you might see me sometimes like, yeah, people talk about, oh, why do you have Bitcoin and not convert it to Kaspa? No, I'm a man with a plan, and my plan is simple. I'm trying to get as much Kaspa and as much gold as possible. That's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, I'm going to use my leverage trades, okay, to get as much Kaspa as I can, because right now I'm leverage trading it. And my miners, which again I showed you guys, I am also mining Kaspa, not Bitcoin. I'm mining Kaspa because I'm trying to get as much Kaspa as possible. And for those of you who don't believe that I have almost more than 500,000 coins of Kaspa, here we go again. Let me show you. Let's go back. As you guys can see here, Kaspa. I have XRP, like I told you guys. Again, I have Kaspa, Doge, ZRX, XLM, Luna Clash, Shiba Inu. The list goes on and on. But you can see here, this is my Kaspa. If I go to my portfolio, you will see here 524,000 Kaspas. The date which I bought my Kaspas are bright. As you can see, I bought Kaspa twice, okay? 2 times in 2022. First one was August of 13, and the second one was October 18, and it is, as you can see right there. That's what. And everything cost me $730, as you guys can see right there. And the total amount of cash I'm holding is right here. You see, total amount, as you can see right there, 524,000 Kaspas. And that right there is just the beginning, because I want to own at least 5 million Kaspas. That's why you see me, I am trading everything else, okay? So I hope this clarifies everybody. This is my portfolio. I don't just speak because I'm speaking. I'm telling you guys, as you guys can see right there, right in front of you, there's a bunch of coins which, yeah, I am going to get rid of, not going to hold them after this bull run, okay? Most of the coins you see here, I've made my money, I've made my profit in there, and I've gone somewhere else. What you're looking at are coins that, yeah, After I took my money off, this is the profit I've made. But you guys know selling right now is not the right how do you say it, it's not excuse me, selling right now is not the right thing because the bull run is not over yet. A lot of people think it's going to be over in December. And I'm telling you, the bull run will not be over in December. It will be over way sooner than that. But anybody here, you can believe whatever you want to believe. So here it is. Like again, I'm a guy that puts my mouth where my money is. I'm not a Bitcoin maxi. Let that not confuse a lot of you guys. I am a Kaspa maxi. The more you read about Kaspa, the more you understand what Kaspa is, you will come to the same conclusion that as I have come. Right now is the time for you to get into Kaspa. Right now, before the institution come in, before everybody and their grandmama come in, before Uncle Tommy from the basement realizes that, okay, I think Kaspa will make me more money than Bitcoin. So yeah, it is the time to do that right now. If you want to sit on the sideways, don't say I did not warn you, because I will sit here and I will tell you, yep, I told you so. I will tell you that. So yeah, I'm holding Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not the real store of value. The real store of value is gold. So as you guys can see, yeah, if this recession, the way it's coming, if gold does not drop that much, yeah, then I will hold tight to that Bitcoin. But I know for sure someday the gold standard will come again, and everybody else who is really looking economy right now will understand what I am talking about. Everybody will understand it. So Bitcoin, yeah, manipulation is at its best. So it cannot be store of value. If you want to store your wealth, you got to go to something better, which is gold. Okay, so if you tell me that Bitcoin is a store of value, well, that means Quant can be store of value. Kaspa can be store of value. But again, I don't think anything that market cap could be manipulated by whales, I don't think it could be a store of value. That's how simple it is. So yeah, you are free to do whatever you want to do. See, if you want to think that Bitcoin store of value, okay, that's up to you. You can go ahead and do that. But for me, that is my plan. Any Bitcoin I get, sooner than later, is going to get transferred into gold. Okay, that's what it's going to be. And I'm not talking about gold on the internet. I'm talking about physical gold, which means you buy gold, you take it to the bank, and they store it there for you. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, everybody has their own plans. Okay. And another question I get asked about, how come I'm not going to sell my Kaspa at the end of the run? Guys, I said it. Everybody here has families. I have kids. I have kids. I have things I got to pay for. At the end of the run, only 10% of my spot account will be sold. And the reason is simple. Okay, you have to start getting ready for the bear market right now, not when it happens. I am going to short Bitcoin, and I'm going to short a couple of the coins. The reason is that simple. If you short the market, the gains I make at the end of the bull run, although you guys already know me, I don't normally wait for price confirmation. When I feel like, okay, it's time for it, those gains, I'm going to use some to buy Kaspa, and two, open leverage trades, long trades for the next bull run. That's how I operate. You understand? I stick to my plan because, as you guys see my portfolio, that's how I made that portfolio look like that. Because during the bear market, I get ready for the bull run. During the bull run, I get ready for the bear market. So things like that. The money you make in your bull run, part of it you go crazy with it, part of it you reinvest, and part of it I open the leverage trades again. You guys will see it. Like I always said, I am a guy that shows you everything that I do. Now it's up to you if you want to do the same, or if you don't want to. It is up to you. Okay, like right now, a lot of people really complaining about it. Oh, Bitcoin is doing this, Bitcoin doing this. What did you expect? What do you expect? People make money and take profit. Therefore, again, I will say it, Bitcoin cannot be a store of value. Because if Michael Saylor, for example, decides today, out of the blue, let's just say, for example, if he decides, I'm done with Bitcoin, and he sells the entire thing from MicroStrategy, what do you think will happen to Bitcoin? There you go. I know a lot of you will be like, nah, those institutions are not going to do that. Guys, institutions don't care about anything else but profit. If something comes out today that will make them more money than Bitcoin, they're going to dump that shit like some hot potato. Today, the only thing that is that has stand the taste of time, no matter what happened to the economy, is gold. That's why I believe the real store of value is gold. Now it's up to you. You can do whatever you want, but for me, I am accumulating gold. That's that's as simple as that. I'm accumulating gold. Okay, but when it comes to cryptocurrencies, the only ones that I know that will make you money and will stand the taste of time are utility coins, not Bitcoin, guys. The hype is still there for Bitcoin. Therefore, take advantage of it. That's what I'm doing. I am taking advantage of the hype of Bitcoin. Before everybody starts to ask the same question I'm asking myself, what does Bitcoin really offer? What does it offer? Store of value for what? Based on what? There you go. Bitcoin was supposed to be money, transaction money, but it failed. Now you're looking at Kaspa doing what Bitcoin was supposed to do. So yeah, I am accumulating more Kaspa than I'm doing with Bitcoin. From time to time, yeah, I really don't. Let me see. Yeah, I would think about it. I would think about it. Because since 2016, I have not purchased not even an ounce of Bitcoin since 2016 till today. I've been hedging myself into gold. And now Kaspa came up, and now we discovered the real Bitcoin is here. But regardless, it's up to you. Because the same thing, you saw what happened today? You saw what happened today, right? Everybody else that is busy trying to chase meme coins, $4 billion worth of Bitcoin, worth of money. I'm not talking, if it doesn't make any sense to you, $4,000 million of rug pull. My gosh, that is something that I can't comprehend. Why would you go chasing meme coins? Put your money into Kaspa. Put your money into even the shitty Solana. I don't care. At least Solana has an ecosystem, and it has, on the meantime, it has a chance of growing up. Which again, it will be in hot water once Kaspa gets his smart contracts. But did you see what happened today? I think what happened today is going to be very, very bad for Solana. If you don't know, I don't know. You're probably sitting under the rock or something. Everybody comes out, create a meme coin on Solana, and then they pull the liquidity where they leave a lot of people in shock, losing money left and right. And I don't blame them. I blame you who is chasing the pumps. I blame you. Everybody saw the Libra because the president of Argentina tweeted about it. People they don't learn. What happened with the Trump coin? The same scenario, same thing. Trump came out with his meme coin, tweeted about it, price went up, a lot of people put their money in it, and he rug pulled everybody, left you holding the hot potato. That is the same strategy the Argentina president pulled. He came out with a meme called Libra, tweeted about it. Everybody and their grandmama put their money in there. Once it got to $4 or $5 billion, he rug pulled everybody. And I don't blame him. I don't blame him. Seriously, I don't. I blame you. You who thinks like you can make your money, stable money with meme coins. Meme coins are volatile. You are going to lose your money. I've always said it. The upwards momentum for meme coins is unknown, but their downfall is certain. At the end of the bull market, Just short any meme coin you want. You're gonna make you insane of money. You will see. You will see. And I've sat here, told you guys not once, not twice, not 3 times. Stay away from meme coins. Because unless you are that lucky, you're gonna make your money. If not, you end up in wreck city like people today. $4 billion, guys. That is that is insane. Anyways, guys, it is what it is. Yeah, a lot of you who was going back to what we we're talking about, a lot of you who was asking, why am I not converting my Bitcoin to my to Kaspa? Nah, not yet. I'm not doing that. I'm going to hedge into gold. Gold is the store of value, and I'll probably be like do it a 50% into gold, 50% into Kaspa. Again, once my trades are closed, I will also look like we always do. It's just like a normal business. At the end of a season, you need to balance how much you made, how much you lost, blah, 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 all that stuff. Once I do my balance, then some of it will go into buying Kaspa, some of it will go into buying gold, some of it, there's a lot of things that will happen. Or who knows? You never know what the economy is going to dictate. Like I said, I'm paying attention to it. If the economy doesn't go the way I think it would, then I'll hold on to the Bitcoin. I'll probably buy more Bitcoin depending on how the economy does. Okay? That's how you have to do it. You have to know, like, okay, if let's just say cryptocurrencies goes to shit today, at least I'm holding gold as a store of value. I don't know if I did explain myself correctly. I hope I did. But anyways, that is the whole plan with the Bitcoin you're looking at. Now, if economy does not go the way I think it is, then yes, I'll buy more Bitcoin and even get ready. Because again, sooner than later, that crash is going to happen. Okay. Anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick. Let's see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. And to do that, we're going to need our good friend, Crypto Bubbles, right here. You can see what happened today. Yeah. Everything was looking good until somebody rock pulled somebody. I'm not talking about $100 rock pull. This guy right here really went deep on everybody. So yeah, let's go look at right quick. Let's look at King Kaspa first. KS. And here, for the past hour, Kaspa is down 0.5%. 5.2% down on the day due to the rock pool, but anyways, everybody panics. 7.6% up on the week, 25.9% down on the month, and 35.9% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $2.69 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $69.08 million. Now, this is panic selling. I will show you guys in a little bit once we go look at the price in details, but that 5.2 you're looking at, don't be fooled by it. Okay. Anyways, now let's go look at quant right quick. QNT, the banker's coin. As you guys can see, almost the same thing for the past hour. 1.7% down, 0%, like it's not even moving on the day. That is how crazy it is. 6.6% up on the week, 18.3% down on the month, and 12.9% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.39 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $32.45 million. Looking at Jasmy, which is the Japanese Bitcoin, we will see here. Of course, it's going to look bad because Bitcoin dumped today. I think Bitcoin went all the way down to $95,000. Therefore, Jasmine, like I always tell you guys, Bitcoin dumps, Jasmine is going to dump hard too. Anyways, on the last hour, 0.6% down, 1.9% down on the day, 7.5% down on the week, 31.3% down on the month, and 239% up on the year, sitting at a market cap of $1.06 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $46.67 million. Now, last but not the least, Cubic, which again, this guy will get more impacted because of his more volatile, like as you guys can see. On the last hour, 1.5% down, 3.4% down on the day, 4.6% down on the week, 39.7% down on the month, and 74.8% down on the year, sitting at a market cap of $177.71 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $4.97 million. Now, again, like you guys can see, it's just panic selling. People, when they see one major asset, let's just say a lot of people believe in Solana. What you don't understand, like the activities on Solana chain affect a lot, affect the base price a lot. So yeah, once Solana start to drop, Uncle Tommy from the basement, oh hell no, bro, the market is falling. He's gonna sell his Bitcoin, he's gonna sell his coins, he's gonna sell this and that. While people who understand what's going on, that's why it's always good when the market is dumping. Pay attention to crypto Twitter. You look at crypto Twitter, you can easily find out what's happening, and then you will know whether you should panic or not. Anyways, let's go look at the markets in details right quick. And to do that, we're gonna need our trading view. Here we're gonna start with King Kaspa. Again, Kaspa, come on, load up right quick. Come on, this thing's taking a lot. Let's go right here on the 1 hour. We're gonna start on the 1 hour. Like I said, you guys remember, I do not use 1 hour for trading. I use that for price direction. As you guys can see, the first green candle is already showing. So yeah, this was panic selling, and you about to see. Let me zoom it out a little bit. Let me bring out my arrow. Okay, right here. As you guys can see, we were doing pretty good until the dump happened. We went down. We are getting supported by the moving average. As you guys can see, first candle is almost green again, and this stuff, I'm expecting this to bounce from here and then continue back, because like you see, look at how fast it dumped. This is panic selling. It's not organic, it's panic selling. Therefore yeah, I think this thing will start to go up in no time. Now, if the moving average does not hold us, the next potential support is going to be right here at 10 cents, which from there will start to go. But like I'm saying, I don't think it's going to go down there. I think this thing, like you see, is like a waterfall. Waterfall usually gets brought up right back the way it was. And again, you guys, yesterday, as I told you guys, the resistance was up here, 11.2, 11.3. As you guys can see, we came, tested. We were on the way up again to retest until what happened. So yeah, a lot of people still like not believing their eyes, which again, you should understand. It happened. Now, the reason why I think we're about to go back up, again, look at the ribbon. It is still green and it's still pointing upwards. So I don't see the reason why you should panic. And you still, even if you want to wait, you can stay here. There's a strong support right here, 10 cents. But we are still green on the ribbon. We're still moving. The moving average, as you guys can see, is still getting ready to start moving upwards. So yeah, to me, I don't see the reason why you should panic. Now, if you go back, even if you look at it on the daily, okay, look on the daily. Look right here. Let me zoom it out right quick. Okay, see, that's what I'm telling you. There is no point to alarm yourself, because look, same situation still yesterday. More ribbon is still curving upwards. Okay, this happened because of the dump, and again, we're still ready to it's still getting ready to even start to climb even higher. We got news on Binance. They're still distributing their mining rewards, so we don't know when. I told you guys, Binance is going to list gas for this month. That's everything is pointing towards that direction. So yeah, I cannot be how you say it, I cannot be bearish on Kaspa right now. I can't. There is everything else is pointing that the price is about to run. Just like you see that candle, it has started green. So yeah, the price reversal upwards to where it was towards this resistance last support is already started already. So anyways, now let's go look at Quant right quick, because again, Quant is going to have the same problem. Like everybody and their grandmama, they were so they were so like, how do I say, let me see, USDT. Everybody always being afraid instead of looking first before jumping. But anyways, for quant, you guys can see the same thing, just like I told you guys yesterday. See, we broke above, came back. Right now it's retesting that support. See, if you've been following my channel, this line has been here for the longest. It broke. Even with the dump that happened, everybody panicked. Look at how little quant dumped, not even much. So it's retesting the support. The ribbon still green, the moving average still going upwards. So even if you go on the 4-hourly, go on the 4-hour, see, everybody else was dumping, quant still maintaining the upwards trajectory, ribbon still pointing upwards, just like I told you. So yeah, you can tell by yourself. See, the dump happened, it got bought right back up, and now we continue because the dump wasn't organic, it was a panic dumping. So quant is still moving towards that $105 price point. If you look at it on the daily, it is still the same. So look at it on the daily. See, just like I told you guys yesterday, we are still now upwards. Ribbon, just like Kaspa, ribbon is curving. The first resistance is gonna be here, that $100. Next one is gonna be around $105. Next one is gonna be 125, and right after that, there is not much resistance until 164. And I'll say it again: if we close a daily candle above 164, quant is going to all-time high, or even price discovery. You will see that. So yeah, I am not worried about whatever happened because quant is still holding strong. Anyways, now let's look at Jasmy right quick. JASMY, and here you go here, JAS. See, this is what I'll tell you guys about Jasmy. Okay, Bitcoin dumps, Jasmy is gonna dump. There's no two ways about it. We are still battling this this 2.3 cents. That's what we're still battling. And I told you guys, I already have my position open. If you did not have one, it will be a good idea to wait. If you don't want to wait, yeah, you can open one, but make sure you scale it up, because this resistance right here, 2.3 cents, until we break it, Jasmine is not going to have that, excuse me, Jasmine is not going to have that bullish momentum that we are looking for. And again, we cannot break it if Bitcoin is still dropping. If you look at it on the 4-hourly, see, that's what I told you yesterday. See, I told you the same. Bitcoin was showing signs, but the same thing, Bitcoin tried to go, because today Bitcoin went like 97, 96, 97,000. Jasmine tried to, and then the dump happened. There you go. See, it's going down again. So the good thing I'm looking at is that the ribbon is not falling down free, like free falling. It's kind of going sideways. That tells me, like, yeah, I think Bitcoin is about to reverse, just like I told you guys yesterday. So there's not much I can tell you right now, other than if you want to enter your trade. Let me go back here. If you want to enter your trade, scale it up. In case the price swings like it happened today, if there is a price swing, you are not running the risk of getting liquidated. Okay, anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick, like we always do every day. Regardless, guys, you can 5, 10, 20, 100x your money if you want to, if you know what you're doing, by using the links below, which are Phemex, Margex, Bydfi, and Weex exchange. But guys, please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because it's a hot ticket to Wreck City. Trust me, you will always win. You know how the lottery, it is like hard to win. The tickets to Hot City, they are very easy to win. So please, once you sign up using those links, meet their deposit bonus, they are going to give you free money. Use the free money. Okay, take $100 or $2. Practice how to trade. Stop losses, entries, exits, trail losses, you name it. Continue to practice, or else you will be the biggest winner for the hot ticket to Wreck City. Don't say I did not tell you. Okay, anyways, now let's go look at my Bydfi. Bydfi, the exchange that I recommend for everybody. But anyways, here you guys know I am trading both Quant and Kaspa today, right? You guys know that. You guys can see my overall. We came down as the market also came down. So yeah, not a big deal. Again, I will show you this account in 6 figures when time comes. If you look at my contract, wow, Quant is up $96. Anyway, you can see here for my Kaspa, I am still down 47%, which is $3,700. And for my Quant, which is doing way better, I'm down 11%, which is $1,100. Again, please do not do like me. I am a very aggressive trader. I trade at 50x, as you guys can see. The only difference is that I scale up my trade and my liquidations are very, very low. So if you want to do the same, you need to make sure that you know how to trade. Okay, please, I'm saying it again. You can pause the video and you can look at my position, and then you can make your decision if you want to do the same or not. But if you are going to do it, please scale up your trades. You need to do that to drop your liquidation as low as possible. Okay, now let's go look at my Phemex. On Phemex, you guys know I am trading Jasmine and Kaspa. Again, the more trades of Kaspa I have open, the more possibilities I have to accumulate even more. So yeah, as you guys can see right here, due to the crash, my I went from 12,000 yesterday, I think, and today I am $11,600. Okay, now if you look at my contracts, you will see here on my Jasmine, I am still down 51%, which is 5,300. On my Kaspa, I am still up 38%, which is 1,600. Okay, just the same as Bydfi. I am a very aggressive trader, 50x, as you can see here. But my liquidations are very, very low. So yeah, you can go ahead, you can pause the video, and you can look at my my positions if you want to. But again, my take profits, like I said, I want to make sure I don't repeat them every day. I'll try to do that once or twice a week, so you can watch my video for yesterday and you can see my take profits areas if you're interested of taking profits. Okay, once the price starts to go even higher. Now let's go look at my Weex exchange. On my Weex exchange, you guys know I was waiting so long because I wanted to trade cubic. Yeah, I wanted to trade cubic so bad on that. So yeah, my overall here is still looking good, 3,400. It looks like that didn't move much compared to the other ones. Better way, 3,400. And if you look at my contracts, you'll see here for my cubic, I am up 1%. Okay. 1%, which is $10, not what I'm looking for, but it shows it's trying to move. On my Kaspa, due to the crash, yeah, it came back down. I am still up 82%, which is $875. Again, I will show you this account in 6 figures and you will see. That's the whole point. Now you can pause my video and you can also see I trade at 50x. Okay, so yeah, that's my method of trading. I don't know how you're doing it, but yeah, that's how I do me. that's how I do me. You know what? Let me add some more for my Kaspa right quick. I'm gonna add $100 right quick. I don't like that 1,000. Let's take advantage of that. The pump coming very soon, so I'm gonna add. You know what? It's 119. I'm gonna add it all. Yeah, that's better. So, anyways, yeah. I just added more and see how that one goes from there. There you have it, guys. You can pause the video and you can also look at my positions if you want to. Okay, so here, let's go back here. There you have it. Okay, everybody has their plan. I'm a guy that once I set my plan, it doesn't matter. Come rain, come sunshine, I am going to stick to it. Like I always tell you guys, patience. I am a very patient person. A very patient person, as you guys can see. Since 2016, I've held that Bitcoin. Don't plan on selling it because my plan with it is let it go as high as it can. As soon as it gets as high as it can, or depending on what the world economy is doing, I will swap it to gold because my real store of value is gold, not Bitcoin. Now, as far as cryptocurrency comes, I am accumulating two specific coins. Kaspa first, second is Quant. Because if you look at the way the world is going, Kaspa is the real Bitcoin, because Kaspa is doing what Bitcoin was supposed to do. And if you look at how the world is going, banking, Quant is going to be the winner. Therefore, I am accumulating those two coins like crazy. I don't know. A lot of people looking at the price action. I am not looking at price action. I'm looking at long term. Therefore, I have my long positions open right now. I already told you guys. Time will come when I'll have to close those long positions. Once I do, I will open my short position using, now the short is going to be, for sure I am going to short Bitcoin. I haven't made up my mind yet, but I think I'm also going to short Quant, because if Quant goes to $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, a lot of people will make money. And Bitcoin crashing, yeah, it's going to bring Quant down, as you guys already see. So yeah, I'm going to short Quant. Okay. Now, when my bear market ends, the same money that I made is what I will use to open the longs, and part of it is going to go into buying Kaspa and buying more Quant, as you guys already know. So yeah, the plan is simple. Get ready for the bear market before the bear market, or get ready for the bull market before the bull market without using your own money, because the gains you're going to make by longing the bull run right now are still going to be the same money that you're going to need, okay, to buy more of your spot accounts, which are Quant or Kaspa, plus what you're going to use for the leverage positions that you want to open. Plus, use a lot to go crazy, like buy my own Bentley. that is going to be what I'm going to do. Regardless, I am going to show you guys everything just like I always do. Okay, that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment. I would like to know what your opinions is about everything that we just spoke about today. And don't forget to share so that other millionaire minded people like you and me can see this and we can share ideas. Thereby the family can grow. That being said, guys, let me take more. Yeah, it's a little cold. That being said, until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves. And bye-bye.